we are the My1 Plus mobile application team, where we are the front end facing user mobile application. We have SIT environments, we have UAT environments, but depending on the timelines, we may not be able to the backend or the integration layer, they may not be able to deliver the API specs much earlier than we require. So usually the SIT starts at a certain date, but during our development phase, we need to during our development phase, when we are trying to integrate the API specifications, we want to test that, hey, our UI UX works when given a certain API spec. Like let's say if the API is supposed to return true. Yes. So that's where we rely on MockLab. So even before using MockLab, we have this API specification planning and solutioning with the integration layer to understand, hey, for this business scenario, for this use case, what should the API return so that the mobile app can display whatever the business use case is. So that's generally the idea. And during the development of it, we heavily rely on MockLab. Let's say if you don't have MockLab, we cannot develop until the specs are ready. And depending on the discovery and the solutioning of the feature and then subsequently the API, if you were to even wait for the API specs to be ready, plus the API, the actual API to be ready in any of the testing environments, that effectively takes more than 1 month. So we basically, by doing it in parallel, we basically cut the development time.